live in a simulation. This simulation works by procedural generation. People who play video games or are aware of, how to create video games, etc., will understand this. This is the notion of where the environment is created based upon your observation. So when you play a video game, right, what you're seeing, where your observation is going, is what is materializing as matter. Everything else, like another terrain or the bend around, you can't see because it doesn't exist, because it hasn't been created, because it would just take too much processing energy. There's no need to create something that isn't being observed. It's this whole notion of, if a tree falls in a forest and no one is there to hear it, did it really fall? Did it make a sound? And the answer is no, it didn't, because there's no observer there. Quantum mechanics and quantum physics has explained this so much, and we're finally catching up in science, where everything was based on matter, but we're realizing that everything is based on potentiality and waves and energy field. In fact, only 4% apparently is matter. I believe, it might even be a little bit less than that in the whole universe. 4% matter in the whole universe, and the rest is just empty space. And this is true. When you look at atoms, what do you see? Empty space, right? There's very little matter. They don't actually know what it is that's in the matter, what is it that's a substance, but they just know it's a lot of energy vibrating. So the reason I say this is because it has helped me understand the malleability of life, first of all. Second of all, being present. Right now, everything that I am observing, right, is the only thing that exists. My mom at home doesn't exist. I'm not thinking, oh, what is she making me for breakfast, because she does not exist. It's just as simple as that. Nothing outside of your locality exists. Only the things that are real are the things that you're observing, period. Second of all, when we label something, we negate it. When we label something, we just give it one attribute and we're like, yep, this is it. And then we kind of trap it. We don't allow it to express its other full potentiality. We just label it as this thing is this thing, and that is it. For example, when we judge something, right? If I judge someone as being needy, I have limited them to just being needy. Now, in my reality, that person will always be needy. And up until I keep judging them in that way, they will continue to show up in that way. So the moment I stop judging them as being needy, I'm giving them the ability to change, the potential to be able to express different forms of themselves, because everything is not temporary. I don't know, I'm sure there's a word for lack of everything is temporary. Okay, impermanent, that's it.